Hello everyone, this is Nakul Abhyankar and welcome back to Logic Pro X Made Easy. I really want to stress on this point of arranging your recordings and making sure that whoever opens the session, they will be able to understand. What I mean by this is, let's say I have these 5 takes and let me quickly color them. The shortcut to bring up this small color window is Option plus C, and I'm going to color this. Let me assume that these are chorus tracks, and I'm going to color these blue. And let's say this is my main track, my solo voice, and I'm going to color it yellow. Now, namings are different, and there's a track here, and there are some unwanted tracks. I don't think this is the best of the sessions to be shared with my friend for mixing. So what I'll do is I'll quickly get rid of unused tracks like this, or other way to do is go to track, which is right here, and I'll go to the option delete unused tracks, and the shortcut is Shift, Command and Backspace, and you can see that my unwanted tracks are deleted. Now that I have these tracks, let's rename the tracks. Let me call this as solo, main. Let me go down and let me call this let's say chorus left 1, and Command C to copy the name, and I'll rename this as command right 1, and I shall rename this as command chorus L2. What am I speaking? And I'll call this as chorus right 2. Yes, now clearly you can see that my tracks are named, but my regions still have old names. So what I'll do is I'll select all the regions and I'll just hit Shift, Alt and N. The names of all the regions have changed and they've taken the name of the track. This is a very useful shortcut to have, and you don't have to spend hours together renaming every region. And even if, let's say, something got misplaced and this region is here, this region is there, and this fellow is here, you will still be able to make out, oh, okay, this is chorus L1, this is supposed to be here, so it has to go there, and this fellow has to come here, and solo main has to go there. But now what has happened is all the positions of your recordings have moved. So what you can do is select these tracks, and just by right clicking on them, there's an option. If you go to move, you'll see something called as move to recorded position, and the shortcut is Shift, Option, Command and R. Everything moves to their original recorded positions. A very useful tool to have. If you hit Shift, Command, Option, let's say this is here, Shift, Command, Option, R, it goes back to the recorded position. And once you have this, it's always better to create stack track. In the previous video, I've explained what stack track is. So I will select all these tracks, hit Shift, Command, D, create a summing track and call this as chorus. And I will put this also into a stack track, and let's call this as solo voice. So now I think I can share this session, but there's one more step. I have sung multiple takes, and while sending the session to my friend, I don't want to send a bulky session with all the unwanted options or deleted options, because those options still sit in the pool of the project. So what I'll do is I'll quickly go to this browser here, and I'll go to project. I'll just right click here and I'll say select unused. As of now, there's nothing unused. Let's say that I delete this. I don't want it. Now, if I right click and click on select unused, it will show that there's one thing that is unused. I'll just hit delete, and that is gone. And now I need to remove that completely from my project. So I'll go to File, Project Management, Cleanup, and I will select all of these. There's a window that pops up, and I'll select everything and say delete. Now I have cleared all the unwanted audio files or audio tracks from the project folder, and I'll just hit a save as, and I'll go to my desktop, let's say, and I'll just call it for mixing voice takes Nakul. That's it. Now I can share this session for mix my friends. I can send it to anyone, and as soon as a person opens the session, he or she will understand immediately that this is chorus, this is solo voice, this is the music. So that's it for today. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and let me know how it goes. Leave your comments down below, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to let me know. If you like the video, hit like and share. Some of your friends might really benefit from this one, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like these. Thank you. Bye-bye.